And in the last 1.5, 2 years, the MHA, especially Amit Shah ji, the Honorable Home Minister of India, has also been very keen that these issues, which are very, very critical to both the states and the region as a whole, should be resolved at the earliest. The MHA has mentioned that, the Home Minister has mentioned that when countries like India and Bangladesh can resolve their issues, why can't states within the country resolve their issues? So we have been discussing this at much detail with him, and it is, of course, as I said, it's at an unofficial level, which we have been discussing. So that's number one. Number two, Government of India has been sending us messages and information and asking us to move forward in this line. And therefore, even from an official perspective, the Government of India has also initiated discussions and initiated processes to figure out if there can be an amicable solution to this issue. In this regard, last week on Thursday, I think, if I'm not wrong, Thursday or Friday, I had a meeting with my cabinet colleagues, and I briefed them about the discussion I had with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, though it was an unofficial meeting. And I also briefed them about the fact that Government of India also has been initiating this discussion for a very long time, and last week it went to a new level where official communication to take the discussions forward have come in. So therefore, to answer your question in a long and in a short way now, is that the entire discussion for the border issue has been a continuous process, and we have been talking unofficially about this issue. We have to realize that this issue is something that is not new to us. It is an issue that has been there for the last 50 years, 49 years. And therefore, there is no simple solution to this answer. So this question, I'm sorry. There's no simple solution. So in order to be able to take things forward, we need to find ways and means in which we could come up with solutions, that are acceptable, and solutions that are overall acceptable by both sides and amicable. So therefore, it will have to be worked out, and it's difficult to say right now which direction things will go in. But as a government, it is our endeavor to see that we find a permanent solution to this problem. And as was mentioned by the Honorable Home Minister of the state, Shri Lakshman Rambui, that it is time now that we find solutions to these. So therefore, a lot of discussions and talks have been taking place, but at an unofficial level, because as I said, this requires a lot of talk and discussion. And at the background of that, Meghalaya also has been doing a lot of homework. In fact, last 3 weeks I've spent more time on the border matter than any other matter. And we will be hoping that we'll be able to take this forward. But I have to put a point of caution out here, that it is not a simple issue. It's a very complicated issue, and therefore there will not be a simple solution, and therefore it will require us to be able to figure out what would be amicable and acceptable to both sides. So therefore it will be a process which will require a lot of discussion. And as was mentioned, that this is a good time to take this forward also, because there is a very positive relationship in the leadership between Assam and Meghalaya at this point in time. We both share equal respect for each other and for our people and for our state. And also, Government of India has been also actively pursuing this matter. So definitely the overall environment is conducive to take the discussions forward. But as I said, it'll all depend on the process and what kind of discussions we have. So let's hope for the best. But my point was that yes, we have discussed these matters, but at an official level, we have not met yet. But unofficially, a lot of discussions are taking place. Thank you.